Hey everybody, it is Ryan. I'm going to do an overview of this massive amount, 330 feet to be exact, of LED lights that come in a variety of different modes and has a remote. This is pretty cool, very excited. It is the holiday season and I wanted to give you guys an overview of what I'm going to be installing because these things are legit. I mean, this is pretty significant. So real quick, you have 16 feet, about 16 and a half feet from the first light to your plug. And the plug looks like this. So you can imagine if this was outside, you got an indicator letting you know there is power to this. And you have a button right here that will allow you to, from this, so if you lose the remote, you can adjust the different modes I'm getting ready to show. So after the 16 and a half feet or so from the plug to the first light bulb, you got 330 feet. I think that's what the documentation says, 330 feet of lights. And from a measurement standpoint, you can see the lights here, except for these first two, are just a couple apart. But then afterwards, you're roughly, I'd say 6 inches apart. That's what the LED looks like. Very cool. Again, you can either use the plug to adjust the settings or you can use the included remote. You have a on and off feature like this. You can turn on, you can turn off. I'm just aiming it at, and it's infrared, so you have to be aiming at it. And it's got, I think, about 16 feet. You can aim at it to get it to do its thing. Here are the different settings. Just a slight twinkle effect. And then you have something a little bit different. That's a little bit faster. Actually, I don't know. I kind of like that one now. Then you have sort of an alternating effect. A slow fade effect. You can see a little slow action there. Then you have a fast strobe random. That's like a couple different things going on there. That's pretty crazy. And then you have another slow, very slow fade up and down. Another different style of strobe. And then that looks to be solid, just so if you just want to have some lights going. You have the option from this to dim. So if I wanted to dim these down, I could do that. As you can see there, dimming them down. And so depending on where you're going to put these, if you want them super bright like this, or you wanted to dim them down, you have that option. And then you also have a timer option. So right here, you obviously we can't test this here, but just so you know, you have either a 6-hour or an 18-hour. And so if you don't have this on a automatic timer that would cut the power on to this, then you can come in here and set the timer to, again, 6 or 18 hours. And as you've seen here from the video, this is how this looks at night, and you're getting a long strand of lights. And close up of the wire here, it is green. So if you're looking for a very compact, you can see this fits in the between my fingers there. That is what the LED looks like. And if you're looking for something that extends 330 feet with light bulbs, about, looks like it's right there at about my hand's thickness, so about 6 inches or so apart. This just might be the holiday Christmas lights for you. Hopefully that helps, and we'll talk to you soon.